Everyone is so quiet.
You're all so extremely focused.
Hi, Britt. I got you on video.
Oh, right. Oh, you killed
Thomas.
me.
That's nice.
Thank you.
This is I have the video going.
Oh!
So you can wave.
Stick my tongue out.
Oh, there's Andreas.
Oh, it's video.
Yes, it's video time.
Hi.
You can start your elevator dance.
Okay, are we gonna do it?
Okay.
Usually
Don't
it's
ask.
better in the elevator.
Awesome.
You don't want to know.
How can we get there?
Oh my gosh.
Mike, say something for the video.
Oh, it's video?
Yes.
Congratulations, Jess and Andreas. Very happy for you. Best of luck.
I can show your parents. There's Bjorn running away.
You're gonna go
Oh,
potty.
Lori, say hi.
Hi. Congratulations. We're very proud of you both.
Oh, Bjorn, the ring bearer.
It's beautiful out here.
Now